Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How's it going? How is it going? We're in a short position on RTY on Russell. We've already taken 2 PTs, up $78. You're long ES? From where? Back here? What's going on, Cool? How you doing, brother? All good. Good, man. We may get stopped out on the rest of this. It's all right, though. We've already taken 2 PTs. I still think this is headed a little bit lower. On Russell, we left equal lows here. So, you know, usually that resolves to the downside. I may add another one here. Yes, double bottom. Yeah, but these double bottoms, you know, they don't, you know, there's no such thing as a double bottom, man. I don't like double bottoms. They usually don't. Like the ES wasn't a double bottom. They took the liquidity, right? But even when they just take the liquidity like that, usually it resolves a little bit lower. What's up, Craftsman? What's up, boys? So we're up $78 so far. I saw this trade here on Russell. They lost this hourly and then they retested it, so I entered here. Like them to come down here, at least take out these lows again. Bitcoin looking pretty shite. Didn't really get to our spot here. They haven't failed the 4 hour yet, so they probably will hold this 4 hour and continue higher after they make a new 4 hour low. Thinking, but they are pretty close to this, you know. They just didn't take the liquidity. If they fail it without taking the liquidity, that's real bearish. NQ failing the 4 hour too. But they're holding on to, they're in the fair value gap below, so we'll see what happens there. This is kind of a big level too underneath for NQ. So we'll see. It's super tested down here, man. I don't like it. I don't love it. Yes, didn't really gain the 4, and they have a 4 hour double bottom down here. So this level has been tested how many times? I kind of feel like they're coming down here, man. So I still think that they're coming down here. We may see a pump first. Get a retest on this stuff up here. Maybe this. Yeah, maybe this. This is the move that made this. This is the move that made this. This, you know. kind of a big level. So if they do pump it here, we'll probably see a rejection there. That would be a good spot to short it to underneath this. And then honestly, this is already tested, right? So I think we're headed here. If they pump it, that's a good spot to be looking for shorts for sure. We shall see. We shall see. Tesla trying to re-achieve. We'll see if they can re-achieve this 4 hour. They're hanging on. They did gain this internal 4 and then they held on. So we'll see if they re-achieve on the 4 hour. Pretty good area. This is kind of a double bottom too. So I really don't like when they do that. I may re-add just one here for Russell.
Order filled.
Looking for a sweep of the lows here. Looking for a sweep of the lows. Any news today? Nah. No news. Just refresh this to make sure. Nah, no news all week really. This whole week is just nothing for news. So we don't really have too much to talk about here for news. It's really just nothing. I think maybe next week that is. I don't know. I can see. Yeah, it's next week. Next week on Wednesday at the end of the day. So we'll see. They just expected no change, so we'll see. That could shake things up, right? If they lower the rates or whatever they decide to do. Any charts you guys want me to look at prior to pre-market charts? Nifty, sure. So this is playing out, right? This 4 hour failure. 4 hour failure at a major level. Gift Nifty? Okay. This one? No. This one? Okay. Oh, it's just nifty one bang. Just so I know for next time. So yeah. The other chart looked a little bit better, but you know, it's the same shit. They're failing this. They're failing this, and then they failed this. So, you know, this is headed lower. We got a gap fill here. So I would look out for the gap fill. What's happening here? I lose internet connection? Oh, fucking. Oh my god. What is going on here, man? So yeah, expect them to clear that, you know, to take out these lows and probably fill this gap. Let's just look at the longer time frame. This daily looks really rough. Yeah, I would kind of expect them. The daily gap is here, so maybe feel that. So let's just say take out those lows, and then there's the this move that made the low down here. So this, so in that range, I think be very good for opportunity for longs there. Where did they stop this? Took out the liquidity, yeah. Fully tested though, man. You know, the problem is if they don't hold it here, like what's the next thing down? Way down here, right? So like that's why I kind of think that they're gonna hold this area. They are putting in higher lows, right? Do you have these equal lows here? It's kind of rough. This is equal lows. Those usually get taken out. So I would, if they do go a little bit lower, they may take that out, but I don't know about that. We'll see. The next thing down is like way down here, right? So it's kind of far down. I don't think we're gonna get that far down. So it's kind of the levels that we can see here. To the top side, it's tested. It would be this here. It's this move that made the high. That's tested. That's tested. That's tested. That's tested. Yeah. Yeah, I would think that it's going to be like this area. To the upside. So if they do hold down here, that's going to be where you're targeting. on the big time frame. Whoa, Russell, PT hit. PT hit. 132 on the day. PT hit. We're moving stop into profit for the rest of this. They took liquidity here too, so this could be that could be it. I don't think I'll do another re-add. So new 4-hour low, that's what we were looking for. I won't do a re-add now that we've made a new 4-hour low. I'm just going to move the stop to profit, and that's it for this trade. Buy stop. It's okay to do a re-add, but if we make a new 4-hour low, it's, you know, now it can move in the other direction, you know what I mean? It just took liquidity, so I think we're gonna get just stopped out on the rest of this. The next PT will be lower, right? It should be down here. It should be down here. Yes, there is still the bottom of this to touch, so in here. I think I'm gonna just get stopped out though. I didn't hear the order filled, man. Not bad. 132 before the market even opens. Let's go. I did it. I took this trade earlier, right? I said what I said is I'm going to start checking in on the charts, you know, midday, because I've noticed a lot of the fucking setups are coming halfway through London session. Even today, I got to the chart a little bit late, but it still wasn't too bad. I think stop coming here. Oh, I should change this to just one. Yeah. Messed up one. This would be the re-add spot if you wanted to re-add. This is a tricky, not a good re-add though, right? Because like I said, we've taken the liquidity on the, it's a new 4-hour low. So once we've made a new 4-hour low, it's a bit rough. They can turn it around now, right? Really, in short-term trading like this, like that's what you're like looking for, is like a new 4-hour low, basically. A new 4-hour low or a new 4-hour high. Robust, what's up, brother? Nice. I just took a PT on that low. We're trading opposites, bud. I took a PT on. I had a short on. I still have a short. I have runner left on Russell. We'll see. I think I'm gonna get stopped out on the rest here. You took a long, eh? I kind of feel like this is gonna fall apart here a little bit on ES. I mean, you must have taken a PT though already, yeah? I guess they did take the liquidity there. Yeah, you kind of want them to hold this though. If they're gonna hold this, you want them to hold this. 4 hour sweep. They did not gain on this 4 hour, you know. So I don't know. Not the coolest, but maybe.
Stop filled.
There's a stop for me. 133 on the day. Pretty good before the market even opens. Yeah, it could be. They could hold though. Right? You never know. You do never know. Good job, Robust. That's awesome. This account's up 15. I don't know if you guys can see it up here, but yeah, you can see it here. 50. It's up 1,615. 129 on the day today, excluding fees, or with the fees included. So this is almost out of payout. I'm kind of taking things a little slower. I don't know, bro. I should up my position sizing again. Where was your stop on ES, man? Like, where do you stop that? Just here? Like, where was the stop? Are you just buying a liquidity sweep here? But where do you put the stop? Just here, I guess? At 98? Or here? At 88? That's kind of a big stop if it's at 88. Bitcoin looks like it's gonna go to fucking Gremlin Town. It's a little bit of something here at 64. 800 underneath there. There's a little bit of something there. So we're also having a good hourly close. They took the liquidity, but then they closed. They put in a doji and closed higher. Right? They closed inside, so it's pretty good close for the hourly on this, and probably on all I would imagine. Let's just have a look through everything here. Yeah, same with this, taking the liquidity and closing much higher. So it's a pretty good sign that they're going to head a little bit higher. So on ES, let's see your trade. You traded the 1 minute when it closed back within range. What do you mean when it closed back within range? Like when it closed here? When it closed back above this? I guess. I'm sorry, you can't see. When it closed back above this? Long and then stop here. Yeah, that's okay. Even that's kind of long. That's kind of a big stop. 10 points. 10 points is not too crazy. I think I understand what you're talking about though. Man, oh man. You need a coffee? Oh, the Galaxy Z8 Fold is launching today. Honestly, I want to see it. I want to watch it. I can't stream it because it's like streaming another YouTube thing. You're not allowed to do that. NG making the move. Yeah, so I think this goes here, but then I think it goes lower, right? So And they're kind of holding this actually though, so it's I might be a little wrong. I might be a little wrong on this. Yeah, I think they go here. Revise this actually to this. Or just take off this top one. I think we head there. Looks like they haven't gained yet on the 4 hour, but they probably gained on a smaller time frame already. And they're holding, right? So like they're putting in this kind of pattern where they go down, sweep, hold this, and then go. Right? Gain, down, sweep, re-achieve on the inside, hold. Feels like it. Yeah. So I would think they're targeting this liquidity here. And then you can't just take trades up here, right? Like you need to wait for some kind of confirmation, right? This is a big time frame, so you need to look on the smaller time frame for entries. I'm sure they probably gave something here on the bottom. So they still haven't gained anything yet, right? This is still all internal trend. The 15-minute gain is way up here. So they haven't gained shit. So they made it a little bit difficult here to take longs. You'd have to be doing it on like the small time frame, the 1 minute. So even the 1 minute, yeah, the 1 minute gain was way back here. So entries were here, or this entry would be okay. What's the invalidation? What's the invalidation for what? Like if it starts going? So if it starts going, getting closes up here and holding up here and continuing higher. What's the invalidation for longs? The invalidation right now is this. You took the 1 minute gain. You took the 1 minute gain when? Back here? Back here? You took the 1 minute gain? The only... No, above. Like this up here? This? Yeah, you shouldn't be longing way up here. You should long back here where I had the level. You know what I mean? Back here is where you should be longing. If you're looking at look at the 15 minute doesn't even gain until we gain this. Right? This is the move that made this low. So we're in this envelope right now. So we haven't even gained a 15 minute yet. So right now they're just rejecting. They're rejecting this level, right? It's already been tested once, but they're rejecting it. It's actually this level here. It's this. It's untested. So this would be a valid short, right? So this is right now. It's just, you know, they're failing. This can still fail. If you're long, I wouldn't. If we get below that, I would be like reconsidering my whole life, right? You don't want to get below that. Could they hold this and continue? Sure, they could, but it's that longing up here is not what you should be doing, right? Like you should be longing down here. Like you should have looked here for opportunity. What's up, BDP? We're already up 133, buddy. Pre-market. Took the Russell short. Took PTs on the sweep of the fucking lows. Yeah, down here, because we knew that you knew this was a level, right? Down here. So, you know, the only thing I can see for longs would be like looking right here on the short time, on the low time frame, the 1 minute. So yeah, you can see there was, you know, if you look here on the 1 minute, there was opportunity down there, right? Right, we gained, even if you wanted to wait for this, but we did gain here, we gained here, we gained here, and then they left a gap right here. So, you know, it's pretty, they laid it out for you pretty easy, you know what I mean? If you were to trade that. And like, you would have to trade it on the 1 minute because the 15 minute is so far away, right? The 15 minutes so far away. When you see a giant drop like that, just flip right to the 1 minute chart, right? Because like there's no way you're gonna wait for a 15-minute gain or a 5-minute gain. You need to wait. You need to look at the 1 minute chart or even like the 30-second chart. But again, you only do that when it's at a specific level, right? You can't be doing that all the time. Like in the middle of nowhere, look for a 1 minute gain. No, it needs to be at a level. All right, a little bit of buying, a little buying action. Stopped out on the rest of the short there for Russell. They might bump this now. The short we took in London was here, BDP, in case you didn't see it. It's pretty easy. It was a 15-minute failure right here. Pretty straightforward. 15-minute failure, failed here. Retest, shorted. PTs, shorted here. Shorted here, took one PT here, and then took another. I did a re-add actually here, and then took another PT here. Easy peasy today. My position sizing was a little small, but that's okay. All right, we got 10 minutes till the market opens. I'm gonna have a quick cigarette, and I'll be right back. I'll leave you guys with the charts and the tunes. All right. Yes, continuing here. I don't like taking shorts after they've taken 4 hours liquidity. Yes, gain the 5 minute too. Could be looking for longs here, I think. I think Robust is long. It was on ES was good. Yeah, yeah, ES at the PT spot, but they gained, right? They gained the 5 minute and they gained the 15 minute. I think longs might be good. We got market in 4 minutes, 3 minutes actually. No news for the rest of the whole week, so we got nothing moving the market except for price action. Yeah, I'm not really a news trader either, man. Who the fuck would be a news trader, man? Yeah. I just like to know if there's going to be massive volatility in the day so I can... Oh, there is earnings, so there you go. There's that. I should have known that. I have the earnings whisperer in the Discord there. I don't know if you saw that. Oh yeah, it has Google. ServiceNow is also there. Intel. So big news day for earnings. Market in 1 minute, 40 seconds. $20 seconds. Decent gain. Decent gain on ES, NQ. Russell gained. All right, they've taken liquidity now. Yeah, I think longs are good, boys. Pretty good move here on ES off this 4 hour, holding it very nicely. No chill, no retests, you know. I'd like to see them retest this. I'll look for longs if they retest it. I don't know if they will though. Might just get cucked today. It's all right. We made a little bit of money. Here comes the 4 hour liquidity. Kind of a short spot for NQ. Kind of dangerous though. No retest, man. No chill. Let's have a look at YM real quick.
This is where you're staying. I'm sorry I won't be listening, but I don't want you to
YM banged it. He gave you a YM gave a nice retest. Is it? No, Netflix isn't a good spot. 200 day or 200 week? Oh, it's at the two. It's below the 200 week too. You know what they say, man? Buy good companies at the 200 week. Is Netflix a good company though? Yeah, it's a good spot for sure. They've taken the weekly liquidity here. Where are they going to go if they don't hold it here? You know, down here, I guess 49. I would think this is a decent spot. Second test on that though. Fucking no chill mode, man. What's going on here? Just bring it back a bit. Maybe Russell? Russell already did the retest. Can get a couple long in on Russell here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, pump it. Pump it one time. Okay, quick PT on Russell.
Order filled.
Oh yeah. Okay. Quite the moves in all the markets. Let me do a little Riyadh on Russell here.
Filled.
Uh-oh. Don't want to see this go much lower than this. Might be taking a stop. Do one more Riyadh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Need just lightening the load a bit. Really, we should be targeting the highs here. All right, take one more off here.
Order filled.
Two left. All right, one more off here.
Order filled.
Just runner left. Move the stop to profit. Target the highs. $169 on the day. $169. Fucking small position sizes. See if we can push to the highs. Appreciate that follow, man. Thank you. Queenie Media. See you. Welcome to the club. You found the one trading stream that people are actually profitable in. You gotta think how many people are out there that are doing this that are just aren't profitable. I bet a lot. I bet a lot of people are selling courses and shit. You know, the general rule of thumb: if they're trying to sell you a course, you should probably fucking not listen to them. You should probably run. All right, Russell. Let's make a move to the highs, man. At least challenge this 1 hour close above, right? When's this 1 hour candle? 11 minutes. It's pretty good failure to gain right there. What happened to the busted pipe the other day? It fucking sucked, man. We lost a booking worth 20 million. It's about $1,000 US we lost. I mean, we can rebook the property, but it's last minute, so it's gonna be less, right? Stopped out on Russell. 171 on the day. Let's look to ES and NQ. Maybe there's going to be a short opportunity. You know? Maybe. It's fixed now. It's not a huge deal, right? Like this shit happens all the time. It's fucking property management, and really, it always happens. Especially in Bali. Like in Bali, it's like it's constant, man. The way they build villas here is shit. They don't build them correct, you know. They don't do building correctly. So everything you take ownership of these villas, and like everything starts going wrong for like 2 years. Now my villa is okay now, but literally it was 2 years of fucking fixing shit. Like every 2 weeks something would break. But when you fix it properly, right? So, you know, little by little, it gets done until there's just no more problems. But man, there was like, I almost wanted to just sell them because I was getting so fed up with it, man. It was like literally every week or two something would fucking break, a pipe or like, you know, shit it's not even, there's nothing even wrong with, like, it's not hard to do this shit, man. Like if you just do it properly and put the right fucking glue on the pipe, then it wouldn't break, you know what I mean? Like why the fuck weren't these pipes attached correctly in the first place? You know, it's so stupid, man. I was getting like pissed off and fed up with it. But it's all good now. Honestly, it's fine. But it was really like fucking 2 years, man. And then like you get new people coming in and they don't know this, right? And I'm not telling them this. Should we relong on fucking on Russell? I don't know if we should, man. Like, this is the second time it's come down here. Pretty deep retest. Yeah. First time, yeah, but second. Probably will work though. Just not very safe. They did re-achieve on the one here. If they re-achieve this internal one, I'll take a long again. But yeah, there's, you know, it used to bother me a lot more, but now it's like the shit kind of just rolls off my back, man, because it's like it's happened so fucking frequently. It's like, oh yeah, there's a major pipe explosion, or oh well, let's just send the people there to fix it. You know, there's really not much more. Thank God it's like the cost for labor here is so cheap, so it doesn't really matter. It's never very expensive. It's always just like $100 or whatever. It's never really like a crazy amount of money. Like if all these things were going wrong in the West, oh my God, I'd be broke in a second. Having plumbers coming out to the house and shit, like you'd like a blown up pipe like that would probably cost thousands of dollars back home to fix. Here it was like $150 or like it was like $120 or something like that. Fuck, longs are good. Do you still have longs for ES there, Rubbus? Pushing into a fully tested area. I think new high is coming. Fuck, I wish they would have gave an opportunity. I was ready to take longs here, man. Like I was ready here, right here, to take a long. It's just they didn't go low enough. Huh? You're out, yeah. I don't blame you. This should be something to keep an eye on for like next time, you know what I mean? If they do come, if they like take the top or whatever, the next time they come down here, this is going to be a good area. 1355, awesome, dude. That's great. Russell's re-achieving, so I am going to take a little bit of a long here again.
Order filled, order filled, order filled.
Looking at some stocks. If you see anything good, let us know for sure. Gonna start trading more stocks. All my money's allocated, so I can't. You know what I mean? All my money is allocated right now. Crypto is the thing I think to buy now. I always think that though. Just gonna peel one off here. Quick PT.
Order filled.
186 on the day. See if we can get to new highs here, man. Yeah. All right, taking another one off here on Russell. Close to new highs. Might even just close this and be done for the day.
Order filled.
That's it. 229 on the day. Even I can't complain about 229 on the day. I barely even try. You know what I mean? I'm barely even trying, man. If I had proper position sizing, I would have had over $1,000, but I was just trading small today. So I think that's going to be it for today. We had, you know, nice gain. We can go over the trades again if you want here. We traded all US 2000. Fuck, I wish this thing would go a little faster, man. So slow. All right. US 2000. Yeah. We had shorts from here. Yeah. Took the liquidity here. I saw this in London session. They failed this. I shorted here and took PTs here on the sweep. Actually before the sweep, but I took PTs there on the sweep. We got stopped out on the rest. Then they gained the 15. On the retest of the 15, we entered, took PTs on the sweep of this. Re-entered again after they gained the 1 minute. If you look on the 1 minute, you can see. Right here. Hi, Queen. How are you? How am I doing? I'm doing great. So right here on the 1 minute, you can see they on the retest, they gained on the 1 minute, came back down and then re-achieved here. So I entered here and then just took some. I closed off the positions here. We're probably going to see new highs, but that was the that was all the trading today that happened. Position sizing was small today, so that's why it's a little slow on the, or a little low on the profits, but still it's okay, man. My Forex or crypto trader, I don't trade too much Forex. I do trade Bitcoin and then futures mostly. I do trade Forex sometimes, but it's very rare. So today the profits, you know, not too bad. 229 in fucking an hour, you know, it's okay, we'll take it. This is going in the Discord. If you're new, Queen, join the Discord if you're new to trading. I'm streaming from Bali. If you type exclamation point links in the chat, you'll be able to find all our stuff there. You guys have any other charts you want me to look at before we go today? 91% win rate today. Do I teach people? Yeah, that's exactly what I do, is teach people for free. You know what I mean? I don't need your money. Yeah, all for free. There's a good community of traders here, so if you have any questions about trading, this is a good place to come. We're not a huge community, but we do have professional traders in here that trade all the time and are profitable. We all learn together. There's the links thing that you can follow that, and you can get access to the Discord. We all learned together like 10 years ago. I've been trading for probably 15 years. I mainly trade Forex at this point. No, it's all free. I don't charge anything. You just need to come to the stream. I stream this time, market open, usually around 8:30 Eastern, until around this time, 10:30. The market opens at 9 a.m. or at 9:30 a.m. So usually, sometimes I'll go on for London session, but not very frequently. Usually just New York. And no need to pay anything. It's fine. It's all good. Just learn how to pay, or just learn how to trade, and then you can have whatever money you want. You can see that I can pull up the record here. I'm trading prop right now. How do I get people aware of what I do? I don't. I just stream on here. That's it. Are you one of these people that are trying to promote me or whatever? It's usually the people that come in here. All right, so this is our. I should just put this over to one page here so we can see. Here we go. This is our performance as of this quarter, like just for this quarter. Okay, P&L history. All trades. So we're up 2,415. Not bad for, we don't really trade that. It's not like we're trading all the time. And really I'm just doing this to teach people. So it's not like it's a full-time thing. I mean, it could be, but it's not really the whole thing what I do here. Cool. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys all for stopping in, man. Appreciate you guys. Again, if you're new here, the Discord links below. We don't charge anything for teaching, man. Like, if you guys have questions, you can just DM me on Discord, and we can go from there. The best way to learn is to come to the streams and just learn price action, and then come to the streams and ask your questions there. It's not only me, I'm the streamer, but like there's probably like 10 people that are in this community that all really know what they're doing. So a lot of those people will answer any questions. Everybody's pretty pretty nice on that regard. And yeah, if you're keen on learning, then that's really all it takes to be able to be profitable. It does take a little bit of time to get there, you know. It does. Like, sure, yeah, you can contact me. It's fine. Just send me I already see your Discord, so it's fine. I'll reply after the stream. Yeah, it takes a little time to get there, but anybody can do this, you know what I mean? All it takes is effort, man. Effort and practice and screen time. Anybody can learn price action, man. It's not hard, really. Like, you can, at this point, I can look at a chart and within 10 seconds I can have a pretty good understanding of where it's going, you know what I mean? Where the market is going to go. Is this what I do full time? Well, I don't really I used money from trading to buy a villa rental business. Basically, I bought villas in Bali, and then I run that full time. Not really. Like, I have a team of people that work, and then I do this. I mean, nobody should do trading full time, because you should only be trading the first hour of the market. You know what I mean? After the first hour of the market, you really shouldn't be trading anymore. You know, after like the first, like by 11 a.m, that should be it. And you should not trade anymore after that. There might be one more short coming up, actually. It's like ES and NQ just took liquidity. See, they took liquidity up here. Yeah, ES is losing the 1 minute here. Yeah, other jobs I don't. I run businesses though. I do have other businesses. We'll see if ES loses the 1 minute here. This could be an opportunity for a short, at least for a scalp. Maybe another $50 to $100. NQ probably already lost the one. Yeah, NQ already lost it. A little late to the party here. If I was a little bit earlier, we could have got a decent position. But I don't like the NQ short. The ES short I like better because it's lost. It's lost, or it's taken liquidity, right? So I just like that one better. Yeah, I am going to take a little short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, 15 years. It's a long time for sure. I'm old though, that's why. So, you know, I've been doing this a long time. I'm 46 years old. So we're gonna let this trade play out. We're gonna just short this, and then we'll have a stop at the top here. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's fine. If we get stopped, it'll be like a $50 stop around. Okay, guys. Thanks again for coming out. Yeah, thanks, Queenie. I do look young. I'm young at heart, you know. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Again, if you have any questions or anything, yeah, you can just DM me or talk on the Discord. Join the Discord. All right. See you guys.
Order filled. filled. Order filled.